What is Bifu's credit account? The credit account is a type of account that amplifies your trading power. When you transfer funds into the credit account, Bifu will match it one-to-one with trading credit for forex trading. For example, transferring $100 will result in a total net equity of $200, half of which is provided by the platform. Is there any interest or time limit on the trading credit? No. The trading credit provided by Bifu is interest-free and has no expiration date. It can be used continuously until a risk control mechanism is triggered or the account is adjusted. How do I activate a credit account? Ensure your total account assets excluding virtual assets reach $1,000. Go to the asset transfer page and click the transfer button for any currency. In the pop-up window, select Learn More and apply for a credit account. After reading and agreeing to the terms, the system will activate your credit account. Return to the transfer page. Enter the amount minimum 10 cents to transfer into the credit account. The platform will automatically issue trading credit at a 1-to-1 ratio. How is the trading credit calculated? You transfer $500 into the credit account, gives the platform, issues $500 in trading credit, gives total net equity equals $1,000. How does the trading credit work in actual trading? If your total account equity increases from $200 to $400 gives after closing your positions, you may withdraw your $100 principal plus $200 profit. If your equity drops to $100, 50% principal loss gives the platform will automatically reclaim the credit and trigger forced liquidation. What are the participation requirements? Your total account assets must be is greater than or equal to $1,000 excluding trial funds or other virtual assets. Minimum transfer amount is 10 cents. Each user can only bind one credit account. Which products can a trading credit be used for? Currently, it is only available for live forex trading accounts on Bifu. It does not support crypto or RWA-related products. What are the risks of using trading credit? While the credit account increases tradable funds, it also amplifies potential losses. When using the credit account, profits and losses affect your total net equity, including your own funds and the platform-provided credit. In the event of significant losses, the platform will withdraw the credit and forcibly close positions. Please assess your risk tolerance carefully and use this function responsibly. Activate your credit account now.